Hey y'all, so it is Hello Happy time. I finally got my hands on my March Hello Happy box and I am excited to share it with you. So as you know, now they are coming in a box, which makes them so much more fun. I love this, and definitely it's what's inside that counts for sure. So when you open it up, this month's theme is travel. So this is fun stuff in here. Okay, you're always, of course, going to get our Hello Happy card. And I love these little cards because they're such inspiration. And they're really great, especially if you want to send this Hello Happy box to someone. So if you do decide that you want to send it to someone, all you have to do is on that checkout screen, on that shipping screen, just change the shipping information to that person that you want to send it to. And then even in parentheses on like the name, I always put like from so-and-so. That way they'll know who it's from when they get it. But you're going to get this Hello Happy card in here. It says, "A journey is best measured in friends rather than miles. Enjoy the ride. Hello Happy." And then on the box, it's going to explain what is on the inside. So what's on the inside? It has our thermal styling sleeve. When you need to curl on the go, this handy sleeve makes packing much easier. A mini beauty case, keep cosmetics and life's other little valuables protected and organized every trip. An adventure-ready luggage tag. You'll always be ready to roll with this handy buckle strap luggage tag. Okay, so let's open it up here. Ta-da! Look how gorgeous this is. I love the color scheme of this too. So the little cosmetic bag is it's almost like a little square bag right here. I love this print too. It has a zipper closure all the way around the edge. And on the inside, I have went ahead and opened this up, and I have put, there are 12 essential oils bottles in here, if you guys can see, and there's plenty of room for more. But this doesn't have to be used for essential oils. I just kind of wanted to show you guys like size comparison. So I have one of the 15 milliliter bottles in here, and the rest of them are the 5s. But there's lots of room in here, and this is great for not only for cosmetics, but actually for jewelry too. If you wanted to keep your jewelry separate, if you have a lot of jewelry that you're taking with you, I mean, this would be a great little thing, even to keep in your purse for all those little added extras, even like inhalers and things like that, even like really snacks. You know, we're all about the snacks with my family, especially my little girl. But anyways, this is the little cosmetic bag on the inside. You also have that thermal styling sleeve, so it's going to look like this, and your flat iron can fit in here. It has that Velcro closure on the top, and then the inside has our thermal lining in here. So of course your flat iron, you know, is kind of protected, so you can put that in here if it's really hot. Your curling iron, I would probably cool off before you put in here, or if there's room, if you have like a small washcloth to wrap around your curling iron so it doesn't melt that you know, that thermal lining in there. So this is called the styling sleeve. This is such a gorgeous set. I mean, look how beautiful this is together. And then you have that luggage tag here, and I didn't even take the little thing off. You've got that luggage tag, and it says "Ready for Adventure," and you have the buckle here. So of course you can you know, loop that around your luggage. And I love these luggage tags because they're so different looking from any other ones that you see. So when you are trying to spot your luggage at baggage claim, it's easy to find for sure. And then of course you have back here where you can fill out your information there. So this is the March Hello Happy. I'm excited about it, and I always say like they just keep getting better and better, and like, oh, this one's my favorite and this one's my favorite, but like they just keep getting better. So I really love this one. I was excited to see our styling sleeve come back because I use mine all the time. Anytime I travel, I take it with me. So I'm excited to see this back. So this is the March Hello Happy. And I hope that you will consider checking it out on my website. If you don't have a consultant, please let me be your consultant. If you're on Facebook, I would love to have you join my customer group. I'll ask you 2 questions and answer those 2 questions, and then I'm going to send you a private message. So make sure you check your message request folder so you don't miss that message from me, and then hopefully we'll get you added to my customer group. If you liked seeing this video and you want to see more, give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my product review videos. So thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all soon.